Jumped into what the fuck is that?
Okay guys, so I have the duster here. This is just a duster from one of my Michael Kors purses that I got. I did have some other dusters. I have another Michael Kors duster somewhere. I also have this Gucci duster and this Yves Saint Laurent duster. So you can easily make any of these into a headband as well. But I decided I wanted to go for the Michael Kors because I didn't want to ruin this one. This one seemed a little bit too small. And this one was actually really cute. And I like how this is silver. I really thought that it would go with a lot and that it's white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it pretty wide. So I'm going to start probably a couple inches from the bottom. These scissors suck, by the way, so just work with me. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the same with the top part. And then what you want to do is you're going to flip it over to the back and you want to cut a line straight down the middle, so this will make you be able to tie it in the back. There we have this. So now we want to be able to wrap it up nice so that it's going to be like almost folded, kind of like how a bandana is folded, you know, but not, we don't have a square. Then this is kind of what you're left with in the front. You can always make it smaller if you want, or bigger if you want it to be smaller or bigger. I'm going to test it out and see if I like it like this or if I want to make it smaller. And if you want it to be like nicer, you can always iron out these creases in here, but let me go see. Okay, so this came out way too big, so I'm going to make it way smaller. If I roll it again, it will go into covering up the Michael Kors, so I'm going to cut off that excess and it should be to my liking. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna go test it on one more time, and then I will let you guys know if I want it any smaller or if it is perfect how it is. Okay, so I ended up really liking the end results. Like, this is it. It can even go a little bit smaller if you want, or a little bit bigger. I think that it looks really good how it is. You know, like Nicki Minaj was rocking that cute ass Gucci one. I really would love a Gucci headband. Like, that's goals right there. But you know, this is really cute for now, and it's still name brand. And if you have like a nice Gucci one or even any other ones, I really love this. If you guys like it, please give my video a thumbs up and hit my subscribe button, and more videos like this will be out soon.